Well, I thought I'd fish in a little closer where these waves are breaking right in here. So I got a hit right away. He's not big. At least I don't think. No, he's not big at all. Oh, what is that? Oh, look at that. All right. All right. Woohoo! That's unexpected. That is unexpected. That is a very nice trevally. And on the popper as well. Oh, you weren't going anywhere, were you, dude? Oh. Whoop. Sorry, no, come on. There we go. Oh, no, you just gave me a little payback. So he's legal size. And the third different species of the day. Very cool. There you go, dude. The other way. All right. Yes. I know that's not the biggest fish of the morning, but that makes me happy. That is cool. So I think I'm going to try this little shallow part one more time, see what happens. Well. Oh, up and out. Up and out. Ha ha ha. Well, it's a salmon. We caught him in close. Good size. All right, another one on the popper. How cool is that? That thing has just been worth its weight in gold. He is another feisty one. Get him back. I don't think he's quite 50 centimeters. That poor popper's getting torn up though. Those little feathers and everything are almost gone. Yeah, that thing's getting pretty messed up, and these things are about ready to come off. But definitely getting some more of them. Just been fantastic. Well, and the bite's actually even been better with the pilchard. I've taken that salmon off. Oh, not that it was slow with the salmon, but the bite's definitely different. Much more aggressive with the pilchard. That salmon was more kind of a hit, just real quick. So, we're back on the pilchard, and we're just fishing right in here. Right in there. That wave's just starting. All right. Up. Love when they come up and out of the water. Lose a few like that, but usually means it's a bigger fish. Another salmon, and on the popper once again. He's good size as well. Well, he just got me good in the face. Little payback for catching him. Oh, yeah. Yep, I'm gonna let you go. Just try and get you out here in the water. Make it a bit easier. There you go. Oh, and a little wave goodbye. Oh. Well, I think I missed the hookup on that one. I think I was already recording when I shouldn't have been. And then I stopped it. But there's another one. Oh! Thanks, dude. Yum. Tasted good. Well, and another. He hit it and ran in. Whoa, he's already jumping. When he hit it and ran in, the line went really, really slack. I just can't believe how good a morning this has been. Oh. I will say the only disappointment was after catching that Taylor earlier, didn't catch any more. That would have been nice. I'd like to get a big enough one to take home and give a try. I haven't tried Taylor yet. And another one on this poor popper, who has now lost all its feathers. Whoops. Oh. Lost all its feathers and almost all of its color. Yep, you're going back. Another one in that 50 centimeter range. Yeah, he's feisty. He's giving me a hard time here. There we go. There we are, dude. See you later. Oh. I thought that was him at some weed. Oh. Wow. Just wow. Good overcast. They say we might get some rain today. But it's a beautiful morning for fishing. No wind. Oh, no, missed him. No wind, temperature's nice and comfortable. And the fishing is just on. Can't beat that. Oh, we have some visitors. I turned around to put some bait on the hook and look at them. Oh, they're coming down here. I must be in their spot. Oh, they never get old. I've been here for 14 years now and I just love the kangaroos and wallabies. They just get you every time. How cool is that? There we go, on to another. On to another, and with my audience behind me. Oh, they're getting closer and closer down here. I think they want to go in the water. And I think I'm spooking them there. Yeah, that one was on bait. Hello, guys. How you guys doing? Ooh. Oh, another splash in the face. Nice. I guess it's payback. That's all right. There we go. He's one of the smaller ones of the day. Probably about 45 centimeters. That's all right. We'll take it. We'll absolutely take it. There you go. We got another one that ran in. Wasn't sure he was on there. He's on there now. Yeah, I think that popper's losing its luster. The last few have been on bait. He's barely hooked. That's good. Another nice fish. Very nice fish, actually. There we go. Another nice one. So he's probably pushing 60. Yep. Oh, dude. There's going to be a nice clean release. Anyway, there he goes. He knows where home is. Oh. Well, unfortunately I got a couple meetings at the bowling club this morning. So this is going to be it for me. This is going to be the last bit of bait. But it has just been a brilliant couple hours of fishing. In fact, safe to say this is the best fishing session on the beach I've ever had. It has just been a blast. And that seagull thinks he's going to get my bait. But I hope you guys have enjoyed this as much as I have. This has just been epic. So hopefully we can get one more. See what happens. Well, we got lucky last. Yes. One more to close out the morning. Oh, there he goes. Whoa. Good one to close out the morning too, I think. Another solid fish. Wow, just awesome. There we go. Another beauty. And a very nice way to close out the morning. What an epic session. Just loved it. Oh, we might get a bit wet there. Not too bad. There you go, dude. Well, unfortunately, that's my time. 2 hours of fishing, and oh, what a morning. 3 different species. Had a group of kangaroos come down here and watch me as an audience. Can't beat that. And just a beautiful morning to be out. So I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. And until next time, as always, keep fishing.